Welcome to the Business Angel Card reading. You are either watching or listening to this video right now because you believe in a higher source. Whether you call it God, source, universe, spirit, there's a belief or an interest in something higher than you. And let me tell you, there certainly is. I have a message specifically for you. You are on the cusp of something great. You're in that middle where miracle hasn't quite happened, but you're not where you were. It's in that gap where you start to doubt, you start to falter, you start to worry. Spirit is saying, I got you. I got you. I hear what you are saying. I hear what you have put out there. Spirit is saying, I feel you. I know what is going on. Never doubt that Spirit is not with you because you are never alone. Never. So hold on, because what you've been asking for is coming. And as a matter of fact, Spirit is actually showing me that it's actually, okay, this is what I see. I see a big present. It is a large, large red box with a gold bow. And it is one of the most gorgeous boxes I've ever seen. Spirit is saying it's going to be time soon to unravel the bow, because inside this box is your dreams, your goals. And Spirit is saying, what I have for you is even bigger. How amazing is that? So hold on. Do not give up. Hold on to that faith and believe. So let's see what the angel cards are saying today. Thank you, Spirit. Clear your vibes. Archangel Metatron. Thank you, Metatron, for clearing my energy field. So this goes hand in hand with the message. Why? Because if you have an energy field of worry, anxiety, doubt, that present, that gift, that big box with a beautiful gold bow is just going to sit there on the shelf until you clear. So as I'm looking at this card, I am seeing and sensing that there are angels all around you. They're cheering you on. They're holding you up. They're encouraging you. You need to believe that what has been put in you is for you. And better yet, it is for the world. Do not give up. Clear your energy of any negativity. When you sense negativity coming, if you know that you're in the negativity, just clear it. Clear your energy. Clear your vibes. How incredible. Thank you, Spirit.